In this video, I'll show you the trick I have been using to build huge projects with 5 prompts or less, and why upgrading your AI isn't the real solution.
Hey yo, welcome back to iSteve. In my last video, I told you I'd show you the trick I use in generating my prompt.
If you're new here, I break down tech into simple, everyday language chat, no confusion. A lot of people upgrade to premium AI to build bigger projects. I almost did too. Here's what most people do. They open ChatGPT or any AI, type something like build me food website, etc., and then get mad when the output is trash.
Some even ask AI, how can I code? How can I create content? How can I do this or that? Then the AI lists everything you will eventually be tired of reading.
The problem is your prompt. It's like hiring the smartest person in the world and then giving them the worst instructions ever.
First, what is prompt? Prompt is the instruction given to AI to guide the type of response it will generate. When prompt is bad, AI response becomes a trash.
Here's my trick. I call it the 5 prompt breakdown. Instead of asking the AI to build everything at once, you break your big project into 5 layers. Let's do a sample. Let's assume you want to build a full landing page website for a business. This should be your first prompt because
you need to make the AI understand its role in the project.
Then you say, you are a senior web developer and conversion copywriter. You're telling the AI who to be. Most people skip this. Do not skip for your project. It gives AI best settings. Instead of telling the AI to build the project or website, I first ask the AI to explain the structure of the project. This should be your second prompt. For example, I might say, give me the full page structure, the sections, and all the flow for a landing page for a fitness coaching business. You're not asking it to build yet. You're asking it to think first and write. That's the cheat code right there. So now that the AI understands the structure, I ask it to write the full content for each section. At this stage, the AI will generate everything. Then I go through it, remove what I don't like, adjust the tone, and shape it to my preference. Think of it like getting a first draft done instantly. The AI writes it, and you refine it. This is called the deep dive.
Okay, the deep dive is done. Now AI, review the work, improve the weak sections, make that headline stronger, and boost the persuasion score.
This step enhances your work quality massively because now the AI is not just writing, it's editing its own work perfectly. Now the next step is where the quality jumps massively. And this is the step most people completely skip. And do not skip this part. Once everything is refined, then you ask the AI to convert it into something usable. Maybe convert to a web page, web app, or your project preferences. That's the difference between struggling with AI and actually using it properly. Most people think they need better AI, but the real upgrade is better prompts. And if this makes sense, you need to like, share, and save this video for next project. Let me leave you with this. The quality of prompt determines your generated output. Comment your project, and I will help you generate the best 5 prompt for it.